Hey there. One time I lost my entire balance in one evening. That was because of 3 simple yet absolutely drastic trading mistakes. I'll share them with you right now so you don't fall victim to the same thing. But talking about this is so difficult for me. I'd appreciate some emotional support. Or just like and subscribe will be enough. Really. Thanks. So let's get into it. Do you remember my video about the 2008 financial crisis? I brought up a fundamental rule about trading mentality in it. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. No one is exempt from this, because unfortunately, no matter our wealth, we're all prone to making mistakes out of greed, and that includes me. Here's what happened. Even after learning the basics of trading, I had an episode where an asset I'd bought started rising in price. Of course, I had to take profit on it, but I removed it. Because I thought, brother, why would I reject a nice chunk of profit if the price is rising? So I cancelled my take profit and put all my focus on the screen so I could catch the right moment and manually close the trade. And that was very naive of me. Because after flirting with the upside for a while, the price went straight back down. Not only did it erase all possible profit, but it went below the buy level. So, in a few seconds, my trade went into the red, instead of closing in the green at the take profit I'd originally set. What can we learn from this episode? First, if you are a beginner, the market is probably faster than you can react. Second, don't make hasty decisions without proper analysis. And third, it's a hell of a lot easier and safer to just keep your take profit. What happened next? It's a classic. The price went below the buy level and kind of froze above the stop loss. That left me with 2 options. Leave it alone, knowing that the stop loss will protect me, or get mad and overconfident, thinking, close the trade at a loss. If the price will surely go back up, no way, brother, who am I? As you can guess, I chose the second option. I cancelled my stop loss in hopes of seeing the price go back up. And in fact, it did go slightly up with the next candlesticks, which made me think that my stop loss removal wasn't that reckless after all, but it was. The price quickly stopped flirting with the upside and plunged downwards, all the way down right into the abyss. What can we learn from my second mistake? Keep your stop losses, because they actually stop your losses. I know that some of you are skilled and fast, but it's just easier to let the stop loss do the job. Now, here comes the third part. I don't remember how many seconds, minutes or hours it lasted, cause witnessing my asset price dive deeper and deeper into the red made me mad, shocked and petrified at the same time. Obviously, no good trading decision could come from such a mental state, but back then, I thought, I have nerves of steel, and I will wait out this temporary loss. I will see it to the end. That's right, I saw it to the end. My entire account was wiped out. And as I can tell right now, my nerves are definitely not made out of steel, because recovering from that shock took me a while. What helped, I think, clear analysis and honest recognition that what I did could have been easily avoided without much effort or skill, if only someone had told me that back then. That's why I'm telling you this right now. Everything I shared is easily manageable if only you stick to these 2 basic takeaways. The tactical one, keep your stop losses and take profits. The emotional one, don't over-dramatize your trading. Bad trade, not a problem. Let the stop loss do the job. Take it easy and move on. For further lessons, subscribe and press that bell to get notified about the new videos on our channel. See you.
Olymptrade, care that counts.